everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm super excited about because it's gonna be a November favorite, and I have a lot of things to share with you guys, and one thing that I'm like super excited about. So let's go ahead and get started. Of course, you guys know before anything, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also go ahead and turn on notifications so you guys can be updated every single time I upload. And also go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'll have it right here. And yeah, just follow me, tell me that you're coming from YouTube, and I'll go ahead and follow you back. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. It's only 11 a.m. and I'm already exhausted. I've done so many things today and I still have to go to work, so lucky me. Alright, so what are we gonna get started with? I think we're gonna get started with the biggest thing, which is my beauty mirror, I think it's called. Now, I don't want to blind you guys, so that is as much as I'm going to show you guys. And I really like it. I actually got this off of Amazon, I think for about 16 bucks, but I have seen it at Ross. Last time I went, they had like a bunch of them from different brands and they were pretty inexpensive. And the reason that I got this mainly was because it looks really nice on my vanity. It looks really nice and sleek, and it also lights up. The only downside I would say is that it is battery operated, and the last mirror that I had, it wasn't as nice to look at, but it was like connected to the electricity or had like an outlet, which was way better than having to replace the batteries. But so far I've had it for about a month and a half and I haven't had to replace the batteries, sorry. So it does last long. I'm just wondering, you know, how much longer. But I really do like it, and it was really affordable. And like I said, I'll go ahead and I'll link it down below so you guys can have easy access for it. Alright, let's get to the second item. So I feel if you guys have been watching my videos regularly, you would assume this was going to be a favorite. This is the Colorpop Pretty Fresh primer, and I've never been one to use primers, to be honest. Like, I've always tried, but it just doesn't come to me naturally. But since I got this, I've been using it every single day, and I've seen a huge difference in my skin, how my foundation applies, and just overall kind of the texture and everything. I'm really happy. It's a very moisturizing primer, and the best thing about it, it doesn't feel serum-like. It feels just like a moisturizer, so it's awesome. I still moisturize before it because I need that extra hydrating in my skin because I really do have dry skin. So if you guys have dry skin or any skin, I definitely recommend this product. It is so good, and I love the bottle. It's so pretty. It's like pale pink, and it looks really cute on my vanity as well, so that's great. Next up, you guys, is the Whatever palette by Colorpop. Again, lately I've been really into Colorpop, if you guys seen any of my last videos, but this palette is just the most amazing, you know, neutral, and it has like pops of like burgundy and sort of like purplish colors, and for me that's kind of an everyday go-to palette. So you guys, I just have this on my vanity and I use it almost every day except today because I was feeling fancy and I wanted glitter. But yeah, I use this all the time, and I definitely recommend it if you're kind of like a neutral type of gal. This is like the palette for you, and plus look how pretty it is, and I love the color. Like, the aesthetic of it is just so cute. So definitely a favorite, and I believe this is pretty inexpensive. I can't seem to get the price off my head. It's either 12 or 16, but I can't point it out, so I'll just leave all of the links for all these items down below. Alright, going a little bit into makeup. So I really like this IT Cosmetics mascara. It's really nice. I really like how it coats my lashes. It's really good at that, but at the same time it doesn't make them look really like gross and really heavy. The only downside I would say is usually when I apply it on my lower lashes, and I'll show you guys, I didn't apply any right now so that I can show you guys, but by the end of this video it's going to transfer to my lower what is that skin called? I don't know, like it will transfer onto my skin, and it's really annoying. but I mean, there's really nothing I can do, and I do really like it. I think it's my favorite next to the Colossal by Maybelline, and you guys know how much I freaking love that mascara. Another sort of makeup-y item, it is this Ofra highlighter in the color Rodeo Drive, and I got this, I believe, in one of my Ipsy boxes, and I really like how nice and golden it is. Very, very pretty. Looks really, really good on my skin tone. I don't know, I just really like it. I feel like it's an everyday highlight for me because I like so many like neutrals and warms on my eyes that this just looks great. And again, I really like the packaging. The white just looks really nice with like all my makeup, but I will say this gets super dirty and it's like super annoying, but I like it. I have to like wipe it down every day, but it's worth it. So now we're gonna get into skincare, you guys. So the first item that I have is this Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser, and I really like it. I hate the packaging. The packaging is so ugly, like this bright orange with purple. Like, why wasn't it a pale pink or something like that? This is horrible, but I really like it. It's really gentle on my skin. It's not like too rough. And I will say that I stopped using this for about a week because I was just too lazy to care about my skin, and I broke out on my forehead, and I have like 3 big pimples on my forehead, and yeah, so I recommend it. It's really good. Just don't stop using it cold turkey because obviously it didn't work for me. And next up, it's my night cream. Well, I use it at night. I believe you can also use it during the day, but I feel like it's too heavy during the day. And it is the Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream, and this is so hydrating, you guys. It's so nice and smooth when you apply it. I love it. I always use it right before I go to bed, and it's looking great, and it has really, really helped my skin look really hydrating throughout the day. The reason that I don't use it in the morning is because I like to use my Glossier moisturizer in the morning, but I don't know, maybe I'll give it a try in the morning. We'll see. Next up, you guys, it is like one of the best items in this favorites video, and it's this roller, like a face roller, and it has like a small side and a big side. And you guys, I love this. I do this every single day. My sister has one too, and she loves hers as well. She does it every day. We're like watching TV right before I go to bed, and I just kind of like roll my skin a little bit. I do it for about 5 minutes, and you guys, I love it. I don't know if it's changed anything to my skin, but just the fact that I'm doing it, it just feels really productive of me, and it feels like I am preventing whatever might happen in a few years. So I really like it. It's very like therapeutic, and like I feel like I'm self-caring, and it's just really great. So I definitely recommend it. I think you guys should get it. I've seen really, really pretty ones, but I really like mine because it's pink, and my favorite color is pink. So I don't know, I really like it. So I would definitely recommend this if you're like skeptical about this. I was, but you'll feel really good while you're using it. Alright, 2 more items, you guys, and we're almost done. So the second to last item is this nude nail polish. I don't know if you guys can see it. I got this at as an Ipsy box like surprise, and this is the Pretty Woman nail polish, and it doesn't say the color. I think the color is 10. I really like it. Can't speak. I have it on my nails right now, and I like it because it looks really clean. Your nails look just simple, a nude pink, just my go-to color right now, and I like using it on my hands and on my toes. It's just so good. Alright, you guys, so for the last item, I think this is the one item that I'm most excited about. Let me tell you guys. So I started reading this book, and it is called After, and I fell in love with it, and then I read the second one, and then obviously I read the third one while I'm still reading it, and I just got the 4th one in the mail. But you guys, if you guys like cheesy love stories, or I don't know, like if you guys like Twilight, or I guess like 50 Shades as well, or things like that, you guys are really going to enjoy these books. The first one's obviously my favorite, which is After. Alright, you guys, I'm sorry my camera ran out of battery, so I don't want to like spoil it for you guys, but I'll kind of tell you what it's about. It's basically about your typical good girl falls in love with the bad boy of the school. This is college though, and just really interesting. It's just very It makes you feel really nice and like warm inside because it's a really, really nice love story. And especially because with some books, you know, sometimes the main characters are kind of like lame or you just don't connect with them. But with these two characters, you really, really do connect with them, and you kind of like, I don't know, I put myself in like the main character's shoes all the time, and I'm like, what would I do in that kind of situation? TBH, it is a little depressing because, you know, after you read it, you're like, oh my god, I'm never gonna find love like this. But that is life, and you just have to roll with it. I definitely love it. I'm so excited to be on, well, I'm excited, but it's a little bittersweet to be on the third one because I don't want to finish it. I just want to like continue and continue forever, but I know that all good things must come to an end. I think I still have 2 more because after the last one they have one that's called Before, which is like the start of everything, or I think the backstory of one of the main characters, so that's going to be really interesting. But definitely I think that once I'm done with the whole series, I'm going to go back and reread it again because I'm like that with books a lot. I kind of like to go back and reread them just to kind of like get the full experience. Alright you guys, well that is basically it for today's video. If you guys are only going to take one thing from this video, I definitely recommend for you guys to just go and read the book. They also have a movie on Netflix. Did I tell you guys? I felt like I mentioned it. But the book is just, the movie is really good, don't get me wrong. I've seen it way too many times. It's really, really good. But the book is just so nice, and it just feels really good to kind of read it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow with my next one.